My name is Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency, and today I'm going to be doing a video about prompt engineering. So prompt engineering sounds complex, but simply all it is learning how to write your prompts in a way that you get what you want out of them. Hide that for now. So I follow the 4S model: simplicity, specificity, sensitivity, and structure. So first up, we got simplicity. So you only want to include necessary information to avoid confusing the model. And the best way to write in a simple way is to understand exactly what you want and give it and ask for that in with no unnecessary detail. So here's an example of a prompt that is not simple enough. As you can see, lots being asked in very academic language. You're very likely to confuse the AI model by asking like that. But here's that same question asked in a much simpler way that will get a much better answer. Next up, specificity. So this kind of contradicts the last one, but while you should only include necessary information, you have to give it complete information. So a prompt like this, write about World War I, is not specific enough. We can improve that by telling it, as you can see, how many words we want, exactly what thing about World War I we want to ask about, what tone we want it to write in. We've asked it a little bit about structure by telling it to include an introduction and conclusion. So yeah, give it complete necessary information with no unnecessary information, and you'll get the best answers. Next up, structure. So you want to write out your prompt in a coherent, logical way. You want to sequence it well to just make it as easy to understand as possible. So a bad example, tell me about space exploration, quantum physics, artificial intelligence, and the economy in the future. This will confuse ChatGPT. You're asking it about too many things at once. You can simplify it a lot by writing it like this instead. What are the key challenges in space exploration today, and how can we address them using artificial intelligence? You can probably see why that's much easier to understand. And finally, we have sensitivity. This might not be relevant depending on how you use your AI model, but they've been coded to be sensitive about controversial topics. So your prompts need to reflect that. A bad example might be, tell me some stereotypes about people with mental illnesses and how do these affect society. This will probably get a response that will say that it doesn't want to talk about stereotypes. So you can write it in a better way. How can society better support individuals with mental health challenges? And what are some effective strategies for reducing stigma around mental health? It will prefer that question and give you a better response. And my final tip is you can use AI to help you prompt AI, write a prompt, and you can ask ChatGPT to help you improve the prompt. Well, thank you very much for watching.